Panimulan ng Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. in kick-off na ning Bagong Pilipinas campaign ambi sa gawaking Quirino Grandstand inyang Domingo, January 29. Present na rin tala pag-obra na ng gobyerno magumpisa ka rin mayayaliwang lokal na kapanibalan, barangay ampong government offices. Base kay Memorandum Circular number 24, ing Bagong Pilipinas ing kampanya na ni Marcos Administration, pangaras king governance and leadership. Adwana na ning Presidente ing pamisanmetong na ring sektor king bangsa, karing proyekto makapalub king 8-point agenda na ning gobyerno.
My fellow Filipinos, it is in the spirit of our race's resolve to surmount odds, overcome difficulties, and triumph over fears that we gather here today. We face a complex and changing world. It calls for a united response that would make our nation strong, our economy sound, and our children's future secure.
Agpang kang Marcos Jr., gawa na ng prioridad king kayang gobyerno ring pangangailangan daring memalen.
Layunin ng Bagong Pilipinas ay maglatag ng mga mithiin na dapat natin makamtan para sa kinabukasan ng ating bayan. Tapos na ang patsi-patsi na plano na iiba-iba na ang nangyayari lang ay nagkakawatak-watak tayo. It is time for bold thinking, accompanied by the strong will to execute it. As I have said many times, the mandate of the people should be devoted to achieving the grand, not wasted on the petty.
Dagdag na pag Marcos Jr., aliya political planning Bagong Pilipinas no na metong yating master plan para kimabilog ang bangsa ampo para karing Pilipino.
Bagong Pilipinas is not a new partisan coalition in disguise. It is a set of ideals that all us Filipinos, regardless of political creed or religion or wealth, can coalesce around. Bagong Pilipinas is addressed to all government officials and employees and citizens of this country.
Yako po kaya kayong talasuyo, JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.